The things I'm grateful for. Number one, being alive. Why? Because being alive is a miracle. And let me tell you why it's a miracle. Just to give you a context, there's this author Mel Robbins who gave a speech in TEDx in Berkeley 2011. And she announced that there was, being a study done for years, and scientists concluded that the odds of becoming a human being is 1 in 400 trillion. 1 in 400 trillion. These are the odds of becoming a human being. And this is an eye opener. But just here's how things get interesting. So there was this guy in the audience back in 2011 during this speech, and his name is Dr. Ali Benazir. And Dr. Ali works at Harvard. He has degrees from Berkeley and Cambridge. What he basically did, he basically calculated the facts and mathematical facts of being alive. So what he did was he calculated the odds of your parents meeting. Further on, giving the sheer volume of human beings in the earth at any given time, he calculated the odds of your parents meeting. Then he calculated the odds of your parents having a child. Then, since that wasn't enough, he calculated the odds of your ancestors meeting as well. And do you know what he concluded? He concluded that the odds of you being born is basically zero. It's a miracle. It's a miracle that we're alive. We're already winners. We already won the lottery, man. I mean, just being born, giving the sheer amount of things that were against us, giving just the thousands upon complications that could have occurred during pregnancy with our mothers, the problems we could have had, as newborns. There's millions of problems happening every single day in the world right now. And when you have this perspective, then you see what kind of a miracle this already is, what kind of thing you've already won at life. So if you understand that you're a miracle, then you understand that you can be whoever you want and you can do whatever you want to do, basically. You have the power within you. You have the limitless potential within you. And that is why I'm so grateful for being alive right now.